You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell you, say, I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl, come on, bad my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from who? Rachapo. Yes, everybody knows I'm gonna go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Yeah, bro, if you don't say I just fully out there, man, I represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment Promotion, the wickedest film, I understand. I don't want anything shoot, I don't know if I link up. Walk with the Jericho, we kill and make it bust, man.
Actually, no start another play. One play in the game I want to represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl, come on, BNB, Tony on the way.
Check 1 3, this is Azaline and right now we represent Bad Bigs Entertainment. You hear me? Keep it like say Rasta only surrender to the sound system. Line out.
They might use their brains, oh gosh, they might use their brains. Babylon, they might use their brains. Oh, it's a shame I'm a feeling pain. Oh, it's a shame I'm a feeling pain. My brothers and my sisters going down the train. Brothers and my sisters going down the train. Say Babylon release the chains when they might use them. I want to know how Babylon release the chains when they might use them brains. Yeah. They take us to Africa and carry us to Jamaica. They brought us in chains. They even stole our names. They let us work the sugar cane. I said won't go in vain, no. Time when we lose and time when we refuse. Time when we gain and time when we stray. So use please call upon your name. And don't play the games on fear, because of Babylon release the chains for them up. I want you to know how Babylon release the chains for them up. Yeah. No chains on our feet, still we are not free. Oh, not yet. All they using us is strategy. Oh, it's a shame I'm a feeling pain. It's a shame I'm a feeling pain. Brothers and my sisters going down the drain. Whoa, but big up, Unil Famous, Peter Metro, Oliver and Wembley and the whole gang. Next show, big up one good family and place. Big up all the people them. I was alone, with no hope of salvation. I held out my hands and the rain fell. And as the water held me close, I remember you. Oh man, the race is run. Think it's over, but it's only begun. Child is born who has to face this world we are living. It's not a dangerous place. Listen to the word, but I say the world is not a dangerous place, you know. The world innocent, the world never do nothing. And people in the world do the things, you know. People in the world do bad things, but give thanks to the world do the good things, you know. See? Yeah. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Early before times chill, in plenty towns who cardboard hotel, sleep on the ground. All choices how to respond. Red or roses with a dark and a bronze. Oh, listen to the voices, trying to be free, come on. government, you know, this is a message. Yeah, to all of the one who said they are the gatekeeper and the bigger heads and heads of government. So listen to the voices. Let me hear people. Can we be the promise that we promise to be? Yeah. Love and understanding. I've been in the war. People just laughing cause they've heard it. Yeah. Helpless could never be no true justice. It's so hard to see. Kindness is that same old song. Don't stop singing. So much strength in kindness. Oh yeah. Love your people. Can you say all you people? You are my boss. I work for the people. I don't work for Babylon. I don't work for heads of government. I don't work for politicians. You understand? I and I depend Emmanuel mission, Rastafari mission. And the mission is to free the people them. That's why we say listen to the voices crying to be free. Only Emmanuel I Selassie. Rastafari. King Emmanuel say now free water way. 713 miles a ship. Safira, free Emmanuel children now. Out of Egypt, Jamaica. Out of America, out of diaspora. What's that? Mashing up the earth. Get to you say one of these try, yeah. Politicians never stand to front. If the youth them guns to ties. Do you ever make a circle? Then in we my heart to be poor. Not to mention Portmore. 7 youth man's gonna born. Well, hey, the world I watch this is Junior One Blood Real. Junior One Blood. The world I watch this globally because Junior Reid, the whole of France I watch you, Africa I watch you, New York I watch you. It's a global stage. For real. Only Emmanuel I give thanks to the people that watch you because you know said we work for the world. We work for the world of people. And you know said people are boss. Only Emmanuel I King Selassie. Rastafari. King Emmanuel said, a free water way, 713 miles a ship. Mashing up the earth. Get to you say one of these strong, yeah. Politicians, they must stand to front. Give the youth them guns and ties. Do you ever make a circle? Then in him I talk before. Not to mention Timothy Gardner. See the youth them scholar more. Riot in the prison, Rockers Island, Fort Augusta, GP. If Babylon is time you see, it's time you set the captive free. Do you ever spend a night in a 100 man lock before? Not to mention penitentiary, you them sleeping on the floor. Pray for the youth of not the blind. I want to live out in the sea. Yes, I want to live on the shore. What they are my people, have them living in. Out of 1 million people, you're one family. I want to be your friend, don't want to be your enemy. And we make a circle, up above camp before. Dead man for the bloody city, Emmanuel living so pure. Pray for the youth, I'm not gonna cry. this, he dance for big, he dance for everything. Yeah, let's watch it. Yeah, you don't know what to dance. You have to dance with me out of Babylon, you know. Because the man say give thanks to the dancer them, give thanks to the singer them, you know. Players of instrument and everyone to make it possible. And the people spread the words, you know. The message of them, the journey. Model papayas of the city, hunting blood, blood. You could have come down in my eye from Banjo. Could have come down by your outside. What? Love you, people. Model papayas of the city. Communicate to them and tell them say we are one God. You want to hear one word in Spanish? You want to hear one word in Spanish? And this is how we communicate in the Spanish country and send the message to them. Hear one word in Spanish now. Say si venite Cuba o venite Panama, si venite Haiti o venite Italy, una sangre, una sangre. Si venite Guatemala o venite Ecuador, si venite Haiti o venite Italy, una sangre. Compañera, quiero que seas sincera, oh, está de hoy. Compañera, oh, quiero que seas sincera, está de igual. Si venite Guatemala o venite Ecuador, si venite Haiti o venite Italy, una sangre. You're from Banjo. You're from that by your house, yeah. Blood, one blood. How you feeling out there? Yeah. Let me hear you now. Who want the boss with them? Go to the boss with them. That feature two artists. Off of the GR label. Yeah. I'll take it there. See, no more people. Alright. Alright, now again, that one this is my brand new release. And this one called Not From Outer Space. Available on our digital platform. So you can just go and download it and support independent company, independent movement. It goes like this. Stand your horn. Hey, hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood cause I'm not going through my vein. They wonder how I make will. Yeah, man. Me have the dance to teach you tonight, you know. Big up Bellies, big up George, big up, man. Big up Chippy, big up Bamber, Slim Smith and the whole gang, the whole family. I know the gang on board. Watch the dance. Watch this song. Yeah. Right shoulder first. Right shoulder first. Goes that mess up. Hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood cause I'm never to my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Sing some kind of a bass that makes them move and start away. Tried in these streets for a long time. Me man away as borderline them charge me. People shoot him, want to give me time. Illegal firearm, but it wasn't mine. This is the truth coming from my mind. 85 and 100, them happy shine. We are send reggae music to the pipeline. It's like we commit the biggest crime. More than a contract when me never sign. Hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood cause I'm blood run through my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Sing some collaboration, make some movement start away. Shining these streets for a long time. Me born away, last borderline. Charge me people you shoot it, but forgive me that. Cause I walk on jet, go lay bounce back, they come under mine. Shot in the streets so humble. Big up prima got matches, lane and jungle. They will never see me stumble or start break down fast. Jamaica won't crumble. Hey, no, I'm not from outer space. They call me one blood cause I'm blood run through my vein. They wonder how I maintain. Some big collaboration makes some people start away. Shot in the street for a long time. Me born away last borderline. Charge me before me shooting, but forgive me time. Illegal firearm, but it wasn't mine. This is the truth coming from my mind. 85 and 100, they might be shy. We are send reggae music to the pipeline. It's like we commit the biggest crime. More than a contract when we never sign. Hey, oh, I'm not from outer space. They call me, yeah, but hey, oh, I'll give that one. My mic and this turn here, watch it. Hey. What you say? Well, right now, yeah, you man. We're gonna feature 2 artists off of the GR label. Yeah, for the people them new. You understand me? Cause you know say them song are new and to be foundation song for life. And one of those a new song before it reach right there. So around the bus with them, we have a new rhythm come around me, the bus with them. And the album, we have an album, a compilation album, no, a jumping album. And it's called 15 Bus. We're bringing the Empress, Bellies, off of GR label, one of you.
Welcome everyone here tonight, we got Peter Metro, we got Oni, and we got Fire, yeah brother, I'm ready, put up ready. You don't know Rasta time, I'll come back to my shine now, yes, no time. Yeah. Jump with the beats, we'll make the vibes increase. Sound turn on, do not call the police. Keep the fire burning, burning, and the work keep turning. We're fire to direct the right, keep it burning. Fire burning, fire. You don't know how to say, we're coming to the shine now, yes, no time, you don't know. Jump with the beats, we'll make the vibes increase. Don't turn on, do not call the police. Keep the fire burning, burning, and the work keep turning. Purify your soul, the rest of our right, keep you learning. Earning, but everything we earning. Salute to real Rasta, but we put a fire on our imposter. Give them and praise to Jah. Rastafari is Jehovah. Believe, no one mess up a jump with the beat. We'll make the vibes increase. Don't turn on, do not call the police. Keep the fire burning, burning, as the work keep turning. Purify your soul, the Rastafari keep you learning. Earning, prosperity me earning. Burning, good energy me burning. Burning, you be very disturbing. And I'm here alone, I got the most I help me carry my burden. I just the most I need learning. About the people they concerning. The nonsense with them learning. And I feel them say them earning. The liar is she returning. The fire keep burning, burning.
We are calling our next artist, see? Artist name Chippy Rang, see? They're on the same rhythm, the boss rhythm, on the same album.
Robert up Thursday, man, can respect. Rita Metova. Now the boss. Why are you anyway there? Out now. Hungry no nice road, yeah. Say operation no nice road, yeah. Say someone we too big for breastfeed, me no know how no bag of manage road, yeah. Wait. Hungry no nice road, yeah. Set operation, no nice road, yeah. Say someone we too big for breastfeed, we don't know how no. Jump ranking in the building, man, we're going up Thursday, man. Yeah, 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 yeah. And to be hungry, do it, yeah. Hungry, no nice road, yeah. Set operation, no nice road, yeah. Say someone we too big for breastfeed, we don't know how no bag of manage round ya. Wait, hungry no nice round ya. Say operation no nice round ya. Say someone we too big for breastfeed, we don't know how no bag of manage round ya. Well, mama stick it dry up like river head stop. Even in the cloud water, they two bread back. My belly still a road like water over rock. So round a cylinder, but it a still a hot pot. People walk here, but them second get shot. Lord, move in the ears of a shot. People are bad and a pick for them shot. People are not run, but them get caught in the chop. Me say, hungry no nice road, yeah. Set operation no nice road, yeah. Say somehow we too big for breastfeed, we don't know how no bag of manage road, yeah. Wait, hungry no nice road, yeah.
Yeah, Chippy Rang, see? Yeah, I hear me, we have one more artist to call up on the rhythm, the boss rhythm. Yeah? So come in, fire charge. Yeah, for the GR level, come say something to them, fire charge.
Crown the king. Robert up Thursday. Take it on. Hold on. We no go on road, we seek no trouble. But if a boy try, I think we are gonna slow that. You don't know how the runnings go. JR no round now. We no go on road, we seek no trouble. But if a boy try, I think we are gonna do that. You don't know how the runnings go. My sound no round now. Never watch me a worldwide, we are free. No matter when I do, no, them can't stop we. Where's the Robert up Thursday? Let me tell you, so go on, JR. Junior in one blood. From JR we never fail. Another night today. Yeah. We no go on with the seek no trouble. No, we no go on with the seek no trouble. But if a boy try, I think we are go slow that. You don't know how the runnings go. JR no out now. We no go on with the seek no trouble. But if a boy try, I think we are go murder that. You don't know how the runnings go. My son no out now. Tell me what we are worldwide, we are free. No matter where they do, no, they can't stop we. I tell what over we. Tell me why do they try? Some of them are cheat and yes, they must fight. All they do is go around and tell lie. The Rastafari. Hey, hey. We don't go on with the seek no trouble. But if a boy try, I think we have done that. You don't know how the runnings go. JR no run now. We no run with the seek no trouble. If a boy try, I think we have.
Yeah, fire charge, you hear me? We have the GR1 back sound, you know, be the body sound at all. Right now, ready for the road right now. So you see our climax sound, yes, that's our name climax sound, and all the sound. I feel just watch out for GR sound, I know what come here and done that. You don't know how they don't play go. JR and all of that. Yeah, hear me? It's a Friday night. Friday night life in the city not gonna be normal. So I'll turn up now tens and thousands. I know so well. Look more, a mad thing in the place. Josh in the house, Ricky Chopper in the house, One Good Family in the house, Ellie Lewis a house in the house. Set it. Yeah, no artists. Where you say family?
Yeah, why you know say a real family and play family. Now you see the original Dancehall Thursday, we say a reggae month. And you know say we have the great Junior Reid. And you know say when they come on to the artists them, you know, and we know say we are senior Reid tonight, see? Original. And we are an original singer like Junior Reid on behalf of the whole crew. Original Dancehall Thursday present this token and this trophy to the original Junior Reid. And why you know so we are blood family and a fire family.
See I want to read, I want blood man, I blood around champion, me and my family. Say, I will give thanks to this trophy. Give thanks to the one that will recognize. You understand me? For the good works. But each one put out. You understand me? So, it's a joy. You understand me? I have show my face tonight and come support the thing. Because support, it's not support we support. We have support who we can't support. You understand? But we are people of support. You understand me? I and Africans is people of support. Saying so, give thanks to this award. Yeah, give thanks to Robert of Thursday. Holy Emmanuel Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. We only better relate the hearts of our people them, because without the people them, I couldn't achieve this award. So give thanks. Make it possible, my Lord. Holy Emmanuel Selassie.
Respect Junior Reid, valuable contribution to the music industry.